Meaning of growl.
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 Growl. Growl is a verb that describes a low, guttural sound made by an animal or a person expressing anger, frustration, or disapproval. It can be used to describe the sound of a dog warning someone to stay away or a person expressing their annoyance with a situation. The word growl carries connotations of aggression and hostility, and is often used to describe negative or intimidating behavior. Overall, growl is a powerful and evocative word that can convey a range of emotions and attitudes through its use.